Yakuyajua, tell kwetu na tulayo. Olayomi Koiki, it's a special day. Let's make some noise, it's time to say. On this day, 31st of May, we celebrate a hero in every way. White lion of Yoruba land, strong and true. Olayomi Koiki, this song's for you. Happy birthday, Koiki Media. We raise our voices, sing hallelujah. Happy birthday, white lion so grand. Yakuyaju sends wishes across the land. From the hearts of your people, loud and clear, we cherish you more with each passing year. With courage and strength, you lead the way. Olayomi Koiki, have a brilliant day. Happy birthday, Koiki Media. We raise our voices, sing hallelujah. Happy birthday, white lion so grand. Yakuyaju sends wishes across the land. Yeah, Koiki, feel the love, feel the joy. It's your day, let's celebrate. May your journey ahead be bright and bold, with stories of triumph yet to be told. On this special day, we all unite to honor you, Olayomi, in the spotlight. Happy birthday, Koiki Media. We raise our voices, sing hallelujah. Happy birthday, white lion so grand. Yakuyaju sends wishes across the land. Yeah, Koiki birthday to you, dear Koiki. From Yakuyaju, with love and glee. May your day be filled with endless cheer. Olayomi Koiki, we hold you dear. On a good day to you, dear Koiki. From Yakuyaju, with love and glee. May your day be filled with endless cheer. Olayomi Koiki, we hold you dear.